Hey guys, so welcome back to part 2 of this tutorial. If you want to see part 1, that's where I show you guys how to create the ponytail and attach the ponytail. And today we're just going to be focusing on gelling my hair down and actually doing the cornrows in the front prior to attaching the ponytail, which we did in the part 1 of the tutorial. So what you're going to need for today is a brush. I use a shower brush. And then a spray bottle, some gel, Eco Styler, whatever, a hairbrush, some oil, and some leave-in conditioner or any creamy substance. My hair is kind of stretched out. I washed it over the weekend, which was like 5 days ago, and then I had it in twists just to kind of stretch it out, and then like I've just worn it in a low bun like the rest of the week. So I started by creating like a part where I'm going to cornroll in the front, and then I just spray that down with some water, and then I apply my leave-in conditioner, and then I seal in all of that moisture with an oil, any oil, really just depends on what you have. And then additionally I put some gel in the front just to secure that. This is my first time doing that, so I just kind of put it in the front just to make sure that like my edges are kind of laid and pulled into the cornrow. And then I proceeded to do my cornrow, and then I twisted the end of it just because it's easier to take out that way. And then I did another cornrow on the other side using the same exact steps. So it really just depends on you. If you want to do one cornrow or two, it's up to you. I did 2. So after doing the 2 cornrows, I now went ahead and divided my hair into 3 different sections. So I did one section on each side of the 2 cornrows in the front, and then I did a big section in the back. And I just find that it's a lot easier to put my hair into a ponytail when I split it because of, I guess, how thick my hair is. And when I do it this way, my ponytail is a lot more firm. So I start with the section in the back, and I add the 2 cornrows that I did in the front, and I create a ponytail in the back. And then I take one side of each section, and then I use another scrunchie and I add that to the ponytail in the back, and then I use another scrunchie and then I add the other side. So at the end I have one ponytail, but I did like 3 mini ponytails into one. So before I even start adding the 2 side ponytails to the back ponytail, I have to wet them and make sure it's, you know, moist, and also like gel it down. So I first start by spraying it with water, and then I add my leave-in conditioner, and then I kind of massage that into my hair with my hands, and then I proceed with like using my shower brush. I just like using this brush on wet hair because I feel like I just get less shedding with it. So once I've added all the leave-in conditioner, and I feel like my hair is soft enough, I can now like start to brush it back into the ponytail and gently add gel. I'm not a huge fan of gel, and this is probably like the 2nd or 3rd time I'm actually putting gel like on like a lot of my hair, trying to gel it down. So I did not really add as much as most people do. And one of the keys to getting like your hair gel down is having wet hair and putting a lot of gel, and I just didn't feel like putting a lot of gel. So it might seem like I put a lot of gel, but in reality like you would need a lot more gel. The last time I did this style, I actually used an entire container and a half, like 3/4 to 2 containers of the small Eco Styler gels just to gel my hair down. So this time I really only used like not that much, maybe like 1/8 of the bottle. I didn't want to use that much, and I focused a lot in the front. I didn't really put a lot in the back. I just wanted to get like that nice sleek look in the front, not super sleek because that would require me putting a whole bunch of gel, but as sleek as I could get with as much gel as I was putting. Yes, I have beauty beads. Yes, my hair doesn't really gel, like you can still kind of see my hair in the front. I don't know, like I've always kind of faced this, like my hair doesn't really, I mean, unless I like put a lot of water and all of that. But as you can even see as I was applying, it was just kind of like my hair was just soaking up the gel, you know. So with that being said, that's pretty much all I did. And then I put a hair scarf on, double secured it, and went to bed. Alright guys, so we're gonna go ahead and finish up. It's currently 6 p.m. so I actually had to do my makeup and do my hair and go through my day because my camera, for some reason, like my batteries just weren't charging. So I wasn't able to show you guys how like I attached the hair and everything like that, but I'm just gonna kind of do it all over again. So that's why I look tired and I have makeup on and all of that. I've had it on all day. So yeah, so let's just kind of get back to where we left off. So I still have the pieces here. I actually did it and then I took it off, and like that's kind of like the best part is the fact that, you know, you can like take it off, go to sleep, and then wake up in the morning and put it back on. So we're just gonna kind of pretend like this is morning and I just woke up with makeup on. Yes, I woke up like this, and see what we're working with. Yeah. Okay. Let's go ahead and attach this. So I have like this one. I just kind of like squeezed it, and then since this one has an opening, I'm gonna put this in here. Just stick it in there. The reason that is I'm doing that is because I just kind of want, like, now it's like, you know, it's all together and it just looks like one big thing, one big ponytail, just holding them together. See, this is the first inside, outside. I'm gonna just kind of put on my hair. Now I'm just gonna kind of adjust it a little bit just so it doesn't look, you know, crazy. Make sure my bun's not showing. Sure. If your scrunchie's like too loose, here's what you can do. Like if your scrunchie's not tight enough, you can kind of like push the hair down, twist it, like just kind of push the hair to one side, and then twist this, and then put it on top. And then again, wrap it around again. Just to make it tighter. You're scared it's gonna come off, and then just kind of like rearrange it so it covers up. So now I'm just gonna take a couple pieces of hair. I'm gonna take it from the bottom, just like these two pieces right here. Just gonna use that to wrap it around. And then just secure it with a bobby pin. And that's pretty much it. So this point on, you can style it however you want. So I just took a couple scrunchies and I did this, you know, little like, I don't know, something inspired. I don't even know what inspired me, but I just took the scrunchies and I like put one on and I thought it was cute, and I just kept adding them on until yeah, until I added about 3 and I had like 3 little bumps. So yeah, just style it however you want. And that's pretty much it. I also found this cute little like pearl gold hair tie thing from Amazon that I got, and I just put that in the front for additional accessories. You know, you can style it however you want, add accessories, whichever you want. Yeah, just have fun with it. That's the finished look. I had fun doing it. Alright you guys, thank you guys so much for watching. That's all I have. Let me know if you enjoyed watching this video and if this is something that you felt like was easy to do. It wasn't too bad. It wasn't too hard. Maybe. Bye guys.